This 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 265BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Gunstock interior, sleeps 8, spare tire kit, air conditioning, Colorado Detector, self-contained, TV antenna, oven, microwave, Skylight, slide-out, LP detector, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 265BH is 6,692 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.